it go one more time. Come on.
You want to hold on to
Or
that
marbles.
pole right now and you was doing great a while ago.
Bibi.
Beep beep.
Aiden's walking.
Yeah.
Go, Aiden. Come on, Aiden. Come over here. Come see my tower.
Yay!
Oh, wow, that's awesome.
Come on,
Go,
let's
go,
help.
go.
Come
See my
on.
tower.
Hi.
Come
There.
see my tower. Come on. Come see my tower.
Hey, there's just too many people doing too much stuff right now.
Well,
Aiden, you're almost here. Come on. Hunter will show you his
Over here.
tower.
Come here.
Come on, show.
Yeah.
Want you to see it?
Come on.
It's so big.
Aiden, come on. Come get Miss Nessa. Come on. I know, I'm not coming to get you. Come get me. Come on. Come on. Let's go. You're so close. Come on.
Come on. I think you like me.
Come on, Aiden. Come on.
Oh, here he comes.
You ready?
Look,
Hunter,
watch.
show him. Show him. Right. We can bring it down there.